Good evening or good morning or good night. I guess it really just depends on when you're on your tablet or computer looking at these videos and doing your assignments. But we're going to start with reviewing perimeter. I know a lot of you will think that you can just X out of this video, and for some of you that might be fine. But perimeter is the distance around a flat shape. Now think of any shape you can draw. You're not drawing something that you can pick up off the page. It is flat. You'll never be able to pick it up. The perimeter is the distance around that flat shape. So if you look down here, you'll see I have a rectangle, and then over here I have a hexagon. We're going to find the perimeter of both of those shapes real quick. I am going to erase my words. Now, the dots from the eyes don't erase, so just ignore those. But we're going to find the perimeter of the first shape. We'll start with this rectangle. And what we're going to do, we're going to add each side, or all the sides, really. So I'm going to take 6, starting here, plus 2. That's 1, plus the other 6, plus the other 2. When you are adding, you need to make sure you get all the sides of the shape. So sometimes I like to count how many sides are in the shape. There are 4 sides. That means I know there should be 4 numbers. So I know I have that here from those 4 sides. So it's 6 plus 2, which is 8, plus 6 plus 2, which is 8. So 8 plus 8 equals 16, and the unit is inches, so it's 16 inches. All right, over here, I'm going to switch my color to red so you can see it easily. I know that this is a hexagon and it has 3, excuse me, I said 3 because I'm looking at the 3. It has 6 sides. So when I add the numbers together, I know there needs to be 6 of them. So start with the 3. 3, let me do my little squiggly line, plus this 2. I like to mark them also as I go because I find it helpful for my memory. Plus this 2, plus this 3, plus this 2, plus this 2. Okay, so I know there's 6 numbers down here because there's 6 sides. Let me count if there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the case here. So now I'm going to add them all up. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Those are those 3 numbers. Now I'm going to do these 3 numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. And I know the unit is feet because that says feet here. And that one would be 14 feet. So that's how you find perimeter of basic flat shapes. Next, I'm going to show you how to find perimeter of odd shapes, and that'll be the next video because I think I'm going to run out of time.